Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Efficiency Scorecard for Loss Harvesting Coordination. When investors receive dividends and also manage capital losses, the goal is not only to earn income, but to understand the real after-tax result. Dividend tax efficiency becomes stronger when withholding tax, home country tax, foreign tax credits, and loss harvesting opportunities are reviewed together. This scorecard helps investors measure what they actually keep after taxes and where improvements may be possible. First, list all dividend holdings. Record each dividend-paying investment, expected yield, account type, and country. This gives you a clear starting point, because every holding may have different tax treatment, different withholding rules, and different opportunities for tax planning. Next, identify your tax residency. Your home country tax treatment usually decides how foreign dividends are reported and whether foreign tax credits may apply. Without this step, it is difficult to calculate the correct after-tax dividend income or understand how loss harvesting may affect the overall tax result. After that, check withholding rates. Many dividend payments are reduced before they reach your broker account because the source country may deduct withholding tax. However, treaty-reduced rates may be available in some cases. So, it is important to note both the default withholding tax rate and any lower treaty rate that may apply. Then, track the net dividend received. For every payment, record the gross dividend, tax withheld, fees, and the final net amount credited to your account. This helps you separate the income shown on the dividend statement from the actual cash received after deductions. Now, review harvestable losses. Look for unrealized or realized losses that may help offset eligible gains and improve the overall tax outcome. Loss harvesting should not be done randomly, because it needs to fit your portfolio strategy, local tax rules, and investment goals. Next, score the loss harvesting fit. Rate each holding based on tax loss opportunity, dividend disruption risk, wash sale awareness, and record quality. This helps you decide whether a loss harvesting move may be useful or whether it could create extra complications. After that, compare the after-tax yield. Calculate the true income after foreign withholding, home tax, and any tax benefit from loss coordination. This gives a more realistic view than headline dividend yield, because a high dividend may not be attractive if taxes and poor records reduce the final return. Then, improve the scorecard annually. Review your records, update treaty forms, coordinate harvest timing, and refine tax efficiency before tax season. A yearly review can help avoid mistakes and make your dividend strategy more organized. To measure performance clearly, focus on scorecard metrics such as gross dividend yield, foreign withholding rate, recoverable tax credit, loss harvesting benefit, after-tax dividend income, and after-tax yield score. These numbers help you compare holdings more fairly and identify weak areas in the portfolio. At the same time, avoid common inefficiencies. Harvesting losses without a tax review may create problems. Missing treaty forms may cause higher withholding. Ignoring wash sale rules may reduce or delay tax benefits. Wrong residency details, poor cost basis records, and overlooking foreign tax credits can also reduce your final result. A useful formula is after-tax dividend income equals gross dividend, minus foreign withholding, minus home tax, plus allowed foreign tax credit. This shows how taxes and credits directly affect the dividend income you keep. Another helpful formula is tax efficiency score equals after-tax dividend income plus estimated loss harvesting benefit divided by gross dividend multiplied by 100. This score helps investors see how dividend income and loss coordination work together. So, the full process begins with the dividend source. Then withholding tax may be deducted. After that, the dividend reaches the broker account. Next, losses are reviewed, the home tax return is prepared, the scorecard is checked, and the final goal is an optimized after-tax outcome. In conclusion, a dividend tax efficiency scorecard for loss harvesting coordination helps investors think beyond simple dividend income. By listing holdings, checking residency, tracking withholding, reviewing losses, scoring each opportunity, and improving the plan each year, investors can better understand their real after-tax dividend performance. This video is for educational purposes only. Dividend tax rules, tax loss harvesting rules, and wash sale rules vary by country, account type, and investor status, so consider speaking with a qualified tax advisor for personal guidance. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.